To appreciate the beauty of a snowflake, it is necessary to stand out in the cold. Very well said by Aristotle. Hey guys, welcome to our brand new video on Himachal Pradesh. This time we are going to cover very interesting places of Himachal like McLeodganj, Palampur and Dharamshala. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. So we started our journey from Manali and we chose to stay in this beautiful hotel called Himalayan Cottage, and I will highly recommend you this hotel because the view outside the hotel room is just so mesmerizing. So guys, if you're a snow lover and you want to experience snowfall, then I will say that visit Himachal Pradesh in the month of January and December. I feel these are the very appropriate months to experience snowfall. So if you're visiting Manali, do not forget to go to Nehru Kund. Nehru Kund is located on Manali-Rohtang Pass highway and it is one of the most visited tourist place in Manali. Also, I have already done a detailed video on Nehru Kund, so you can check the I button. Also, the link will be given in the description box. After experiencing the snow beauty of Nehru Kund, we are heading to Dharamshala. Dharamshala in Himachal Pradesh is very famous tourist attraction. Also, it is known as hometown of Dalai Lama of Tibet. Also, you can visit this war memorial which is located at the entry point of Dharamshala. This place is ideally located in the pine forest of Dharamshala and offers a very pleasant walk through woods. War Memorial is a tribute to those brave souls who sacrificed their life for our country. Also guys, a special reference to this monastery which was located in Manali Mall Road, and name of this monastery is Himalayan Nyenmapa Tibetan Buddhist Monastery, and it has a lot of religious importance for the Tibetan people who stay there in Himachal. After Dharamshala, we are heading to McLeodganj. Now guys, this is my personal favorite place because this place is so hippie and happening, especially the nightlife should not be missed out here. So day when we reached McLeodganj, there was heavy snowfall going on and we were so fortunate enough to capture that moment. McLeodganj in Himachal Pradesh is full of tourist attraction, and this is one of the tourist attraction which is famously called as Baksu Mountain. So guys, if you're in McLeodganj for a longer time, you can try Baksu Temple, Baksu Waterfall, Triune Trek, Dharam Court, and of course few adventurous activities like paragliding. So after McLeodganj, we headed to Palampur. Palampur in Himachal is very famous for its tea garden. So we got to see Palampur tea gardens. Also, we purchased some fresh tea leaves. In Kangra district of Himachal Pradesh, we got an opportunity to visit this Baijnath temple, which has a lot of religious importance. Hundreds of devotees come every day to Baijnath temple. Also, this temple is having religious value because of its holy river, which is just beside Baijnath temple. If you are in Kangra district of Himachal Pradesh, do visit Kangra Fort, which is located 20 km from town of Dharamshala. This fort is considered to be largest in Himalayas. Also, if I talk about its historical importance, this fort was built by Royal Rajput family of Kangra state. After completing the mesmerizing trip of Himachal Pradesh, we got to capture the moment of Atari Wagah border ceremony at Amritsar, and this is the practice of both India and Pakistan military jointly followed since 1959. Also, if you are in Amritsar, do visit Golden Temple and do have langar ka prasad, which is so very tasty. So here something interesting happened. Our train got delayed from Chandigarh and we got some time to have a look at Chandigarh's beautiful rock garden, and I was so much impressed by the uniqueness and creativity of this garden. I think I highly recommend you to visit Rock Garden of Chandigarh. So guys, that's it in this video. I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button. Also do subscribe to our channel. This is Vibha signing off. Bye.